Here is a Hampton Bay Hawkins ceiling fan. Basically factory low is right here, and it goes slower, high, factory low. Maybe factory low, so I don't know the speed sequences. Well, it lost medium, so I'm gonna do it with the remote. So here's low. As you can tell, this is a cheap quality fan. I didn't really like it, but it wasn't hitting my guest bedroom, but I was screwing around with, as a kid, with a Hunter Whisper Wind 2000. And I bent the blade on it, and I ended up breaking it. So here's low. Now here's medium. It was a good quality fan though, even though I broke the blade off of it. Because I tried to bend it like a palm leaf blade fan. Blade was bent, and it's trying to make it wobble a lot because I love wobbly fans. Hi. I can give it a good off of speed. I'm gonna stop it. So here is low. Hi, full chain. I'm gonna basically do it with the remote because to add medium speed. I don't know why that blade is bent down. I think it's because of a rubber grommet. Can I check the blade iron? I'll check the blade iron. It might be a rubber grommet. I don't know why. Low speed, it's pretty fast on the remote. Basically factory low on the remote. So low. Here is medium. I told you medium. Now it is acting up. Let's try high then. Here we go. I just can't control it from too far away because it's a hugger. It's kind of wobbly because I missed loss. I dropped the third nut, and I was installing it because this thing, installing a hugger with a remote receiver like this, it's kind of a pain in the butt to install. That's about medium. Here's high. Now the answer, if you know them, does not know what these are, but one of them ends up at the Habitat Restore. And it is a Hampton Bay Hawkins, but it does not have Hampton Bay on it. It does not have the Hampton Bay fob on it. Trying to make it go a little faster. And spin down. I gotta put it close to the fan. This is how I'm basically gonna do this fan because I need to add medium speed. This is Jack Ryder 7 lost the low speed on his Hampton Bay Landmark 3. This and the Hampton Bay Landmark 3 are pretty worse. And they are made by, the Landmark 3 is made by SMC. But the one in my Aunt Debbie's room was pretty quiet. Oh my God. I'm going to reverse this. It's totally low. Here we go. Low reverse. Medium. High. It moves a little there. It moves. Reverse. Moves and back forward. See if I can do it without hitting these blade arms. I'm gonna put it on. And that is it. That is the Hampton Bay Hawkins ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.